are having a great day. Today's video is gonna be a galaxy makeup look. This is what I came up with. It's kind of weird, very like new, so if I did horrible, I'm sorry. Like, I'm not a makeup artist. And if you guys are new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. The video is gonna be a collaboration with all my good friends on YouTube.
And the names are Amy Lynn, Anna Banana, Nicole, and Denny.
And I'll put like a slideshow so you guys know who I'm talking about. Don't forget to check out the description down below so you guys can know that who I mentioned in the video, and they're very awesome girls, unique personalities. They have their own beauty channel, make their channel pop and everything. They have like awesome personalities. Hey guys, so I'm gonna use my elf mist to have that nice fresh effect, and then I'm gonna be using my elf primer on my eyes and all over my face so that my makeup can stay all day, but I'm not really gonna wear this all day. And I'm gonna use my gel you know, for my eyebrows and everything, so I can have that nice fuller effect. I was using my NYX, but I just forgot to show it. And then I'm gonna use this brush and then apply the black one on my eyelids. I used the black one this time, not the brown one, so that I can have that nice color and everything like that. Like, my eyebrows look kind of naked, so I wanted to like change it up a little bit, you know. And I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just apply this with Eco Tools brush, of course. And yeah, I'm using the white one, and I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids just a little bit. And I'm sorry, like, the background is kind of noisy, but I had to get this over with. And yeah, I'm just doing it with the same thing with the other eye, and then going back and forth with it. I'm using my Aphrodite palette and use the gold one, so it can have that nice, just a nice glittery effect on my eyelids, like at the end of, like, near my corner of my eyes. And then I'm gonna use this pink. It wasn't the best as I wanted to be, and yeah, I don't know what people are saying, but the pink was like okay, but not too extra, you know what I mean? I want my colors to be extra. That's what I want, like pigmented and stuff. And I'm gonna use my Juvia's palette and use this hot pink one so that I can have that nice pink that I wanted to have, and then just reapply it again and just go over it. It was kind of like messy a little bit, but I got the hang of it. And just keep reapplying it. Hot mess, yes. So I just keep doing the same thing with the other eye, and then yeah, until like I want it to, you know, look and stuff like that, then I'm done. And then I'm gonna use this like a purpley kind of color, and I just went back to my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I used that at the end of my eyes. It looks pretty cute, and I used this blending brush, but I kind of made a mistake. It was wet, so I was like, oh boy. So yeah, I just had to go over that a little bit and do the same thing with the other eye, you know, gotta have that. It's like nice smoky a little bit, but a little bit like crazy because this is gonna be like a galaxy look. And I'm just gonna reapply it again, so to make sure that it looks nice and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna use this palette. It's a new one that I bought recently, and I'm gonna use the white one, and I'm gonna do a review on it. And I'm gonna use my Anastasia brush, and I use the white one to go my inner corner, so I have like that nice brightness, because my eyes are kind of squinted sometimes because I'm Asian. Duh. So I'm just gonna do that right now, and then just reapply the same thing and blend all the colors and stuff like that, so I know where I want it to be. And I'm just gonna use this one right here again, and then just reapply it. So yeah, I'm just gonna reapply the purple again because I didn't like the way I wanted it to look. So I'm just gonna do it on my crease and stuff like that. I was trying to make a crease with the purple look, so yeah. And I'm going to use this blue one right here and then use it with my inner corners, like right at the end. You guys see that? I was trying to use it with my wing and stuff like that. I was trying to make something different, I guess, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted. It didn't look that bad, I think, in my opinion. So, yeah. And then I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner and just try to do a wing. I was trying to do a wing, guys, but I kind of failed this one, you guys can tell. It's always the other eye looks perfect and the other. Like this video if you can relate. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep lining it up together, and it looks pretty cute. And I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye. So, yeah, you guys see that? It looks pretty decent. So the next thing I do is I use this Wet n Wild color correcting, and I use this purple one just to color all my blackheads and pimples and all that. And then I just keep reapplying it. I use the purple one. I don't know. I haven't tried this before in my life, so I'm just trying new things. And I just use this brush from Target, and then I use my Revlon Color Stay Foundation because I love this so much, and it covers a lot of my coverage. A lot of my pimples and everything like that I wanted to cover up and everything. So I do recommend this. I've been using this foundation for like 2 years straight, and I've been using it ever since. But then, you know, sometimes I want to switch it up here and there. So yeah, and I just keep like blending it with the brush and stuff like that, and just keep going. And I use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and it's awesome, you guys. I do recommend this a lot. And I just use my brush from Crown, which I got from BoxyCharm. And then, yeah, I'm just going to keep dabbing it and stuff like that and whatnot. And it looks so cute. So, yeah. And then after that, I'm just going to use this bluish right here. And then just reapply it on my, you know, my sides. Because I'm trying to make like a nice smoky kind of look and stuff like that. And that, like, you know, right? You see that? It's like I'm trying to make like a galaxy in my face. But I don't know how this turned out, in my opinion. It felt like messy a little bit. If you guys can tell, you know, you see this, like, come on now, guys, come on. Baby, looking at the whip frame, that's a nice 80s. You should throw it. So I just keep using the same thing, like the blue and stuff like that. And then I'm going to be using this white base and use it underneath my eyebrows, so I kind of have that nice highlight. And I use this like dark blue and like the other blue for my cheekbones, so I can have that nice galaxy effect. And I just keep going with my eyebrows. And then I use the white thing, like the same thing, but I put it on the top of my brows so I can have that nice white, if you guys know what I mean. Like I was trying to make like brows line and stuff like that. Make sense? Maybe not. I don't know. It doesn't really make sense to me, but whatever floats your boat, you know. And then I just keep doing the same thing with my other eyes as well. It looks kind of funky, but you know, your girl has to do it. And then I use this Wet n Wild Illuminating Highlighting Palette. It looks okay, not the best, to be honest. But I don't know if it's the brush that I'm using, to be honest. I'm just going to use like the rainbow brush, which I got from TJ Maxx. And I use my Milani bronzer. It was alright. It was not the best. I don't know. I think the next time I'll try like different brush. Maybe it'll work. And yeah. Let's see about that. I look kind of messy a little bit, but yeah. Next thing is I'm going to be using the Pure Cosmetics, which I will be putting as my highlights underneath the blue, you know, the blue line and stuff. And then I just use this brown one right here to have like that nice, more like a bronzer effect, because the Milani one didn't felt like my cup of tea and stuff. And I use my lip gloss as my moisturizer because I can't find my my chapstick. And I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick from Kylie, and the color is Freedom, in case if you guys are wondering. I love this blue. I think it's perfect for like 4th of July if you guys are into that. So I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then I'm gonna be using this like baby blue and use it on my under eyes, you know, to use like an eyeliner, but like a blue, you know, because I don't have one, so I use this. And I'm going to use my black eyeliner to go over that and have that nice smoky effect, because your girl always want her eyeliner. Yeah. I'm so silly, I'm going to tell you. And I look like this, like a monkey and stuff, you know. And I'm going to be using my Tarteist Pro mascara, and then just align that up on my lashes. And I bought a new lashes, so this is pretty interesting next time I do my makeup. And I'm going to be using my eyelash curler and do the same thing with my other eyes. And then I'm just going to reapply it again with another mascara. the same mascara, I mean. And then, yeah, same thing. And I look like this.
But you came to set me free. They say you're not my type, but you got my type. So answer this, can you hold me, can I trust you? Paddock on the wrist.
So, did you guys like the video? I know it's kind of crazy. It was, every time I do a video without editing, it's always like 1 hour long. So this is kind of intense. So let me know in the comments below how I did. You know, I just want to know you guys' opinions. And don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.